So, one of my favorite things about Schoology is that it allows us to collect student work in a variety of ways. And something I've noticed quite a few teachers working with is having students submit audio files or video files as either individual or group work. And this is really great if you're working on podcasts. Maybe you have a project where you want groups to present information to you, but you don't want to really use class time for that presentation process. Or maybe you're just working on speaking and listening skills and you need to be able to collect this from students. Schoology is going to allow you to do that really efficiently. So what I'm going to show you is how you would create an assignment so that students could get you this recording. You have to be in your course where you want the submission to be. So I'm in our Schoology training course, and under materials, you see I have an add materials button. And what I want to add is an assignment. Assignments are what allow us to have students submit this information. Now, for simplicity here, I'm only going to add a name because that's required, and I'm going to let it just default to the numeric grading scale. I'm not going to edit any of the other features on this assignment. I'm just going to go ahead and create, because what we want to see is really on the student side. So here's my test assignment as a teacher, and I'm going to jump over to a student account, and notice that doesn't pop up right away. I have to refresh the page if I was already in there. And now I can see my test assignment. Now, because we didn't do any editing, there's no real text that pops up here in the middle of the screen. Maybe I'm verbally telling students, all right, for our exit today, we're going to spend the last 10 minutes. I want you to record your new knowledge about such and such topic. This would be a quick way to do something like that. So students would go to submit assignment, and under the submit button, they have several options. A lot of times they're going to be going to create. If you're doing a quick prompt like that where they'll type in their answer, create wouldn't be good for long editing projects if they're writing a 3-paragraph essay or something like that, but quick responses happen under create. If we want to upload a longer response, maybe we've created a Google Doc or a Word file or a slides presentation, we can upload that file here, or we can create this audio or video recording. Now, once a student selects that, they'll choose which option they want to do, and then they're going to have to give the computer some permissions. They're going to have to enable use of the microphone. They're going to have to allow for the device to access the video camera if that's what they're using, if they're doing a video option. And then I can't really demonstrate that for you because we're using those right now to make this video. But students would go through that and say, yes, sure, close and enable, and then they're going to be able to record. Once they're happy with their recording, they're going to be able to insert that recording as their assignment. Now, there's no editing here. This is a one-shot. They record their response and they give it to you as the assignment file. What I'm going to show you is how you'll receive those files and what you can do to give them feedback in a second video once I've created this for us.